Do you want your subject to jump out of the photo while everything else just melts away? That's the magic of shallow depth of field. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. When everything is in focus, your subject can get lost. It's like trying to have a chat at a rock concert. The background is screaming out just as loud. To get that nice blurry background, open up your aperture. Maybe try f1.8 or f2.8 and keep your subject away from the background. More distance equals more blur. And for portraits, always focus on the eyes. Here's two shots of the same subject. On the left, everything's sharp and the background is competing for attention. On the right, the background melts away because of the shallow depth of field. And as you can see, it does make a huge difference. So why not try shooting with a wide aperture and let your subject steal the spotlight? Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're going to give it a go. And if you want more on making your subject stand out, watch this one for the deeper dive. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.